How to disallow people can add you by your email on Discord. Hello guys, how are you? Today I will show you how to do this. Just watch the video until the end and make sure that you subscribe and you like the video. So let's start. The first step is go into Discord and open it. Then when Discord is open and you will go down and open here your profile. Then after your profile is open, you will go to privacy and safety. After privacy and safety, you will just go down, sorry, and you will go to email option. Then on email, you will turn off this option by going here and click like this and make it look like this. And that's it, guys. It's done for you, and I hope this video is found helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you next video.